are going to love the 2018 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, security alarm, electronic stability control, compass, heated front seats, power windows, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.